if you want your laundry to come out really, really clean, smelling amazing, and super soft, then you have to give laundry stripping a try at least once. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Veronica. I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization. And today's video, I am testing out a TikTok laundry cleaning hack. I am so excited with the results of the laundry stripping experiment that I did the other day on my clothes. I was kind of expecting it not to work. I thought it was gonna be one of those internet cleaning fads. They don't do exactly the same results as what you've seen online. This was not the case. It completely worked. The only tip I would definitely say is do not mix whites with any other colors. I put a white towel in with the rest of the things just to see if the colors were going to bleed a little bit. It kind of came out a dingier white than it went in. So I would probably stick to keeping your colors and your white clothes definitely separate. There are a couple of things that are specific to my video that no other video shows. It's because I'm not using the same ingredients. I did a lot of research to figure out exactly how I was going to do this, the technique I was going to use, the products I was going to use, and I started getting a little bit hesitant because you're supposed to use laundry detergent, soda crystals or washing powder, and borax. Now, I live in London in the UK, and you actually cannot buy borax here. They sell something called borax substitute, which is actually not the same thing. It doesn't have the same chemical properties. So instead of just buying that and trying to substitute it for borax, I didn't use it at all. So I literally only used two things. I used this liquid laundry gel, and I forgot how good Ariel smells. Is my new favorite. So instead of the other ingredient, I used soda crystals. Now, these are readily available in any shop in the UK. You can buy them anywhere, and they're used often in like DIY laundry detergents anyway. So all I did, which you'll see in the video, is I combined these two ingredients in a very, very hot bathtub full of water, and I put my clothes inside. Then I let them soak for around 4 or 5 hours, and I continued to add like a kettle of boiling hot water to the bath every half hour to 45 minutes. The very first thing I noticed, as soon as I put the laundry detergent and soda crystals into the bathtub, the water was very clear. It had a very clean looking color to it. As soon as I put clothes in, they immediately changed the color of the water. Now, there is some debate as to whether this is really cleaning and getting dirt out of clothes, or whether this is just pulling out the dyes that's already in clothes. And I was going to do a test of just whites, but I wanted to test another more important thing. I wanted to see if colors were going to bleed by using this technique. I don't really separate my colors too much, but I do wash my whites separately. I was a little bit disappointed to see that my one towel that I put in, the white towel, it definitely did not come out as white as it was. So my number one tip, if you're going to do any kind of laundry stripping or just laundry in general, you really need to separate your colors. But if you do use this technique, it's almost for sure going to bleed, or at least make your whites look a little bit dingy if you're mixing it with other colors. The end result far exceeded my expectations, because not only did the clothes come out clean, they came out smelling so much better than my clothes normally do. The main benefit of using this laundry stripping technique, even though it's a bit of a fad at the moment, is yes, my clothes came out super clean, but they came out smelling amazing, and they came out really, really soft. So would I do this again? Probably yes. Is this something I'm going to do every single time I clean my clothes? Definitely not. It is involved, and my back was hurting from leaning over and like wringing out all the clothes to get them out of the tub, but it definitely provided a very, very good end result for what I used it for. For me, this is something that everyone should do at least once a year, maybe every 6 months, to just kind of give your clothes a new, fresh kind of second lease on life. Is definitely not an everyday process that you're going to be doing every single time you do laundry. But if you want your laundry to come out really, really clean, smelling amazing, and super soft, then you have to give laundry stripping a try at least once. Using the Ariel laundry gel and soda crystals, I was able to achieve almost exactly the same results, the same outcome as other people that have done similar tests using the same things plus borax. So if I can get away without using more ingredients and using simpler things, easier things to find, definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this technique before, if you have found other ingredients in the UK that you can get relatively easily that get the same results. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna stick to my liquid laundry detergent and my soda crystals because they're easy, they're inexpensive, and they worked. So if you like this kind of video, definitely go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe so that you can follow along when I post new content. And if you hit the notification bell, you get a little alert when I upload new videos. So until next time, see you.